Hi, in this video I'm going to solve practice question symmetry in 3 dimensions. So for each the following solid, we need to state the number of plane symmetry. Okay, so first you can write it from here. So when we cut it, we will have two symmetry shapes. So one, and second we can cut it from here, and we cut it up. And the last, we can cut it here in the middle. The diagonal we cannot because they are not equal sides. If this is the cube, so we can count it the diagonal inside. So the number of planes, this is 3. Okay, next. Okay, we can cut it from first here. 1. So we'll got equal in front and behind. Next we can cut it like this. 2. Cut it again. And then we make it equal 3. And the last we can cut 4. Okay, here is 4. Okay, since the base is a circle, here circle, so it's gonna be infinite number. Also for D, as this is involve the circle, let me write infinite. Also it's gonna be infinite number. E. Okay, so first we can cut it here. So up and down are equal. Then we can cut slice. Left and right are symmetry. So there are 2. Okay, let me draw it for A, so to have the better understanding. So here the first lens, here is lens symmetry. Second is gonna be this. And the third, here this approximately look like this. Okay, so it's look like cube. However, that since we are not sure if they are all equal sides, if this is all dimension, let's say the first condition, all dimensions different. Okay, so it look like cuboid before, so we got only 3. Okay, if all our dimensions are equal, all dimensions equal. So first we can cut it this one, and then 2 from here, from here 3, four, go on, 5. The next we can make it 6, 7, cut it from up, 8, and 9. If this is the cube, so it's gonna be 9. Okay, G. Okay, first of all we can cut it from here. Okay, let me redraw it. If we cut it, so the plane is gonna be like this, a triangle in the middle. Next for B, we can cut as equal like this. So it's gonna be approximately look like this, and not circle, but cone. Yeah, here. So we only got 2. H. Okay, this is we involve again the circle, so it's gonna be infinite number, because this is corresponding to the number of the diameter of the sphere. Okay, order of rotational symmetry. So look at the axis. So we can rotate it 36 degree. This. So it's number 36 degree. So first 90 degree, they are equal, so we count it as 1. Then again, they are gonna be the same thing 2. And we continue again, equal 3. And back to its own position 4. So we got as 4. B, okay, we will rotate. It is for 36 degree. Here first, it's gonna be down here, 1. And then 2, then back again to its own position. So the order of rotational symmetry is 3. Okay, C, we rotate until 360. So to make it equal is only 1 to its own position, 1. Okay, D, as this is involved the circle, look at the circle and circle. So the rotational symmetry, as they are gonna be equal always, gonna be infinite. E, okay, here is the cube. So we rotate 360 degree. It's gonna be comes to its position 4 times. 8, okay, we can count also based on the side if they are regular. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's gonna be 8 rotational symmetry. Okay, let's see it. Consider the symmetry of the composite solid A. Okay, the A, B, and C. Compare the shapes in terms of the symmetry. How many is shape A different? How is shape A different from the others? Okay, first of all, as we can see, look at it. This is circle, here also circle. So the order of rotational symmetry is infinity. So for A, so let me write it here. So the shape A has a limited order of rotational symmetry. So it can be 4, order 4. This is about vertical, if we make it as a vertical. And then 2 about a horizontal axis. Okay, axis. Why? So we can write it because it has the vertices. Yes, because it has vertices. And then it is also has 5 planes of symmetry. Okay, so for C, shape B and C, they are not limited, so they have an infinite order of rotational symmetry. Okay, so even horizontal or vertical axis is gonna be, no, only vertical. We can see it is only vertical. So it's symmetry. So we can see this is infinite order of the vertical axis. However, it's gonna be non-order if we are using the horizontal axis. Okay, that means also they have an infinite number of vertical planes. So vertical planes also infinite. Here vertical planes are infinite, while the horizontal planes are none. So there is no. Okay. B. Can you draw another solid with the same symmetry properties as B and C? So this is the can be any of them, but we need to involve the base of the circle. So let's make it here. Circle, here also the circle. Yeah, first. Yeah, let's say they are equal. Okay, here is, we can make it like this. This is just one of the example. So you can draw it as long as you are using the circle as the base. One more example. Let me make it for you. Okay, the base are circle. So let's say this is cone. And it is half of sphere. Okay, here for B. It can be any of them, but as long as only involve, so let me write it here. Only involve shapes based on circle. Okay, the base need to be circle. There it is. Thank you.